This is an extraordinary event that brings together veterinarians from specialty practice as well as general practice. The symposium includes a long list of incredibly well-qualified speakers who are experts in their field, who all have a wide array of publications and experience in research. And the program has just been excellent this year. Presentations have been evidence-based, yet very practical, have included basic science and clinical experience. I encourage you to circle the dates on your calendar. For veterinary colleagues, that is conveniently timed immediately prior to Western Veterinary Conference. This is a terrific opportunity for the entire veterinary profession to carry laser technology forward. And I look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas.